Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something absolutely irresistible. Veg loaded fries. Imagine crispy golden fries topped with this creamy cheesy sauce, crunchy veggies and delicious fried paneer. Sounds mouth-watering, right? Trust me, once you try this, you will never want to eat plain fries again. So, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the fries. For this we need 2 large potatoes, cold water, salt and 2 tablespoons corn flour. First, peel the potatoes and wash them thoroughly. Cut them into different shapes, some straight like classic fries, some curved, oval or wavy. Shape doesn't matter, the taste will be amazing. Place the fries in a bowl of cold water and soak them for at least 10 minutes. This removes excess starch and making the fries crispier. In a large pot of boiling water, add 1 teaspoon salt and drain the fries. Boil for 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Boiling the fries before frying, ensure that they are fluffy inside and crispy outside. If you want a healthier fries, you can bake them instead of frying. Once done, strain the fries and pat dry completely using a kitchen towel or strain until the water removes. Transfer the fries to a bowl and add 2 tablespoons corn flour. Toss well so they get evenly coated. Instead of corn flour, you can use rice flour or potato starch for similar crispiness. Step 2. First frying or half frying technique. Ingredients: 2 to 3 cups of oil for frying. Heat oil in a deep pan or kadhai on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the fries in small batches. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes until they turn pale golden. Remove the fries and drain on paper towel. Repeat the process for the remaining fries. If you don't want to deep fry, you can air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, shaking them halfway through. If baking, preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius, toss fry with 1 tablespoon of oil and bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. Step 3 is making the cheese sauce. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter on low heat. Add 1 tablespoon maida and stir well for 1 to 2 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Now gradually pour in 1 cup milk, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. As the sauce thickens, add chili flakes, oregano. You can also add salt, black pepper, red chili powder and peri peri masala. Add cheese slice and mozzarella, stirring until fully melted and creamy. If you don't have mozzarella, use cheddar or any processed cheese. Want a healthier sauce? Replace maida with whole wheat flour. For a vegan cheese sauce, use coconut milk and nutritional yeast instead of dairy product. Just look at this thick, creamy and cheesy sauce. It's absolutely drool-worthy. The way it melts and stretches, covering everything in its rich, velvety goodness, is just so satisfying. The texture is perfectly smooth and the balance of flavors make it unbelievably delicious. The moment you pour this over the fries, it just coats them beautifully, ensuring every single bite is packed with cheesiness. You can see how easily it's spread, how creamy it looks. Just imagine dipping your fries straight into the sauce. It's not too thick, not too runny, just perfectly luscious. Whether you use cheese slice or mozzarella, the melt in your mouth texture remains the same. This sauce is the ultimate game changer for any loaded recipe fries. Step 4 is crispy paneer. I kept it simple and delicious. Just cut the paneer into cubes and fry them directly in hot oil. No coating, no marination, just pure crispy fried paneer. You can also use tofu instead of paneer. Step 5. Final frying for ultimate crispiness. Heat the oil on high heat, add the half-fried fries back into the oil and fry until crispy and golden brown. Remove and place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Immediately sprinkle peri-peri masala or chaat masala and toss well. If you don't have peri-peri, use garlic powder, paprika or chaat masala for extra flavor. To keep fries crispier for longer, don't cover them immediately after frying. Step 6 is assembling the loaded fries. Arrange the fries on a serving plate. All shapes are just fine. Top with fried paneer, onion and capsicum. Drizzle generously with cheese sauce. Garnish with fresh coriander for a pop of color if you want. And there you have it. The most delicious, crispy, cheesy, veg-loaded fries. Just look at the creamy cheese sauce melting over the golden fries. Absolute perfection. Try this at home and let me know in the comments how you like it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. See you in the next one. Bye! Quick tips and tricks recap. Double fry your fries for extra crispiness. Boiling the fries first, give them a fluffy inside and crispy outside. Use different cheese for a unique flavor twist. Add any topping like sauteed mushroom, jalapenos or crispy onion for extra flavor. For a spicier version, mix peri-peri masala directly into the cheese sauce.